Hi everyone. Tonight I want to show you how to use the Grammarly app to help you with editing your writing. First you need to go to the app portal and download the Grammarly keyboard. Once you've done that, it will show up as an app on your iPad. You don't really need to click on it or sign into it or anything like that. But you do need to go to settings. So if you click on settings, then you'll see on the left hand side you want to click on Grammarly, like I did. And then you want to click on keyboards. And then you have to allow full access. Once you've done that, you can go to your Word document. So here's my story, my Squirrel Heaven story. You want to click on the keyboard and then click Grammarly. And then you'll see this gray line at the bottom and you can click check my text. So it's now checking my text for me. We're going to see if it finds, oh, here it says definitely may be unnecessary and you can remove it. I don't want to remove it. I'm good. I don't want to tap it to apply that suggestion. I just want it to keep going. It says it found 14 writing issues. Really? And so I'm just going to scroll through here and see what it says. The word, oh, I misspelled it. So it says tap to apply suggestion. I'm going to tap the word. It still doesn't spell it right. So that's, I mean, I'm not really happy that it didn't work, but I think it's a great example of how you have to really check yourself as well. You can't just rely on what any editing app says. Let's see, all day. It appears that all day is missing a hyphen. Consider adding the hyphen. So I could just go through here and look at all of its suggestions. Again, it's not perfect. You have to be the brains. You have to be the author. And maybe you want to use Grammarly to help you.